Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on TikTok. To do that, open your TikTok and navigate to your profile. Click on the three dots and go to settings and privacy. Click on the first option, account. Now click on switch to business account. It says, hi, Elvis Chibundu, welcome to business account. With the business account, you will get more business feature in business suite. Your existing videos and content won't be affected. So all your videos won't be affected. Just your account will be switched to business account. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, and it's going to ask you what category is your business related to. We have art and craft, automotive, baby, beauty, clothing and accessories. So you have to choose what your business align with. I'm just going to go with software and apps. Click on next. It's going to ask for your email address. It is optional. You can skip it if you want. You can add your bio. After that, your account will be switched to business account. When you click on visit business suite, it's going to show you all the tools. In business suite, we have analytics, growth center, creative hub, message center, get leads, promote. So now your account is switched to business account. So that's how you switch to business account on your TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.